Futuoni is simple. Tia. My nya boni ye. Then ye beya ebenya wosoro aheman no. Esan so binim da agyen kwane beba da wiase besei da wode oja beba be hye na saasi. So beba no pa. No, near the sea wo na fe ato aso afri benkum ha. Abusia we ya Ghana today. Ne bre na aso no. Ya ye dey som wo no. Sompa 106.5 FM en kan de no nie. Na edru sabre dia. Na radio ni nyina ka mienu pe. Sompa ene ne aka no. Sompa ene ne aka no. Na bibia ye boko. Sabre kuro ye yinso ana ubetimi ede wo enchia bia wo. Birthday bia wo. Ni a opese wo kan wasem bi kire ni bia no ebre no nie ehaya e na obetimi e de afa na bibia ati Sompa eno nti join here wo Facebook ne so Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ana se Sompa Accra 106.5 live Sompa Accra 106.5 live na oni yen ato kese akona akra na bibia atumi aye fine endpoint to be party clinic adawro man waso yasene ye de Ghana today dwumadi no ebrewo da bia ya na meka mamini ka ma location dancer kronoma bo hia wasante mantam ho ne wo enkra ha share signboard yebutu ha tema nso kowa na so nchen ho pe yebutu ho ana takra den so old anaji ho nso so yenie ya toto ye ho apete ba bebre endpoint to be party clinic Dr. Dubuatin, Dr. Kwatin, any anese for na doctor for ho nyina se menchia wo ma wo. Esan se wa pomuden eye wo made hia. Eno nti se obenya pomuden papa, be ma wani beje wo fie. Ba wani beje awade enu manije beba mu a. Na ye endpoint to me party clinic. Wo ma dawro ma eno wo ma so yasene. Eno nti nya ekoso ni padua mu bia. Wo ma na mo me party kwan so. Ko be se mfisi aduonu nie. Ya wo ma share homeopathy ayar saase. Ama wiase nyina agi atum se ne oye expert ewo homeopathy kwan so no eye endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Dubuatin wono no hwehwe na kira kwan ye ena me kan physiotherapy ye adwuma massage ye adwuma wo ho eno nti kan ho bra kronoma bo hia ana se share signboard spinters route na beji wa yarehwe frame 0244 867 068 0244 867 068 ena 0274 234 321 0274 234 321 na oni yen abonkomo je number na hu behia je troto Sompa FM ye number je to ma misisi a sanse bia na wo penchiremu bi o pesa nka ba bo je tonde hu dawuru unya ya nka ubuza mpani asembi numbers a wo frɛ sisi a no 0531 886 216 0531 886 216 ene ye Sompa ye client service number no nia opese wo
Sompa FM
baby a wo opese obeye wo advert bi anase obeye wo LPMs bi wo commercial bi apese obeye wo announcement bia o de frɛ number WhatsApp send a message ana o de ekwan bia befa so ana ye be communicate wo number yi so bia no channel bia e fa so enya number de communicate bia no ye wo so o frɛ ya on sabe kan 0531 886 216 na one yen abonkomo anope ye bedidi agia special local food so my aduane papa di wo a wo de na akwa te se o breakfast no ya mpesie ana banku me kan se obi akwaje ne bayira mpesie ne nkwan ya enche bia wo de ba be yam so me kan ya wo hunu agia special local foods aduane papa nyina afie ho no se woduru ho a aduane ni nyina ebi ho na wajibi na bibia ye fine owo hacho atomic kwan so ya bia wuntime nko wunya ya nke mfa aduane mro delivery frame 0246 359 921 0246 359 921 and 0594 797215 0594 797215 na oni akasa eya no munsuo gu aduane ne so eya kasa na kira mineral water ensu papa no nie kasa na kira mineral water abodwunsuo kasa na kira mineral water nia wono mo a problem bia ne yachi kasa na kira mineral water mo ne na ho na no munsu papa kasa na kira mineral water maka ne mpresen kasa na kyerɛ me no awata bɔmmɔden pɛ bi tɔnom na ɛbɛboa paa nsuo a wonom a problem nim nsuo a wonom a wɔhaw biara nim nsuo a wonom a nsuo mu haw biara yɛ a na ɛba biara no wonnya bi ɛyɛ kasa na kyerɛ me no awata Kasalema Ventures na daworo ma no de nsuo yaba sɛ gye nanonom bi ne nko yie mfama nti dwumadie bi a wodi a wohia nsuo wase no so fa bi serve na bɛte w'anim kama 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 ɛna 0303 965 780 0303 965 780 yɛwɔ back hospital no akyi hɔ pɛɛ ɛwɔ taifa ha ya ɛhɔ ɛne ebutuo nanso numbers am de ma wi wobɛtumi afrɛ abere ne abere biara wobɛsɛ woni yɛn edi na ɛde papa ni ɛde ɛbrɛwo abusua wɔn adaworo ma no wɔn asɔ yɛase ne a yɛde Ghana Today de wobɔ nkrataa ɛmobɔso no yɛde ɛma wo abena abadu adepa kofi Abakay for short ɔwɔ ha but ɔno akasɛ mo yɛ long abena maachi
ya kwaku
na ho ye
nyankopon adom ani ahwe adom ya nkrai na wo so abusua ho tesen
Yehova bɛka ho
ye da wo ade na se
sɛ ne waye yɛn ye ni so
ɔka ye ho no gu so ɔka ye ho
sa na tie ɛno ya na ma meka enwum no ɔka ye ho emira fi nyum sisi ukra ye mu so ɔkɔ de ne ma ɔde yɛn fom so akyɛ yɛn wanyi ebibia adom ye hu mo broti o Irade yeda wasi
ese wanyi ehwe eye adom keke ene wahu ye mmobo ene ose meba sore ebi da ye o man sore debi o kwaku
ene na ba ko nyum ba ko no so ase ankama tete
Sompa FM
kra ekotanfo anka ma ni maguase odi ahitani o odi ataba kesi nyame aye ne wuku
nyasam kuma
nyame aye
senya rade na waya fa enko sam de ai hana mama nese
wakuyen
ekatafo nkwanke yesre ni edi au ekatafo nkwanke ya ni maguase kra na ba kwa ba so mo ya mienu se miasa na bon na so yesu do yenti ono na odi yasemaye ono na oka yasemaye ono na ya ze amuna no mba hana thank you me say no me escape me say who flyer no ntimi na se we de metame wo mo ansa na makwa campus o mani ba mo so na menam kwan so kora ati
wa kwan so abeji
nyina ye tie Sompa
no
oh
nyame hu ye mobo
papa
nanso asaya na de ni bio
nyasam kuma
ya kan ye ho de akyɛ yɛn a yɛmfa seda mawurade sanse ono na seda ne ayeye nyina ase meme wo daily guide wa ha daily post wa ha chronicles wa ha na ne chronicles say ya yenkenka chronicle de chronicles say yenkenkan Deuteronomy 20 verse 4 for the Lord your God is he who goes with you to fight for you against your enemies to give you the victory eno ye chronicle baby and wase yenkenkan no menim nia ekita wo ho and abna
mikita the Ghanaian Times the Obokrata no the most authoritative newspaper and afi the new crusading guide and was saying your mu enumra na to say your mu na mba ha no se ba ko na etego sisters the new crusading guide of Obokrata no so ekramia no pay daily graphic okuni na mu abobe wa ha no say either the new publication so say hide na 10 fear na 10 one mo so ababie the Ghanaian publisher so wa ha no krata na na mo bai pa ye mu nsem no abobo be na anope kwaku
yo ene abna Sase ni anko
yo ebusia ye friko wakrata na apostle mo boso me fa daily graphic the Obokrata and truth and accuracy every day emfrase emfama me hu mama Elizabeth Ofosu Ajare ya wo yeswani ya wo no wo hwe edwadie na afi agri business and industry no eso ewo my Ghana mu na asem wo kan se rubber no empanimfo eden enhyehyeye pa eto ho na etumi aboa ama se yemfa nko obi man so no bibia etumi akoye ase rubber no eho nsem no rubber se empanimfo kyerem se sika wo mu pa nso se die ebimo ede mrahya wo mu nsem eye adwuma no anyhow wo men no aya na oman ne boka ya na omo nso ebe hwemu yie na eja wɔnom ɛde nneɛma pa egu akwan mu no wabɔ mu amane ɛwɔ Daily Graphic do
Sompa FM.
na asɛm baako ɛda kratafa ɛtɔ so dumiɛnsa wɔ Daily Graphic do ɔbɔkrata yi mu kyerɛ mu sɛ Supreme Court say Appeals Court and rulings ya wɔde ɛba yɛ ɛfa GN Bank papa kwasi Indium ne bank no Supreme Court nso sɛ wɔn ahɔte ne kakra na nhwehwɛmu a wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn de gu akwan mu sɛ bibia akɔ yie no gye sɛ wɔn san so hwɛ nsɛm mu bio ansa na wɔn ahu sɛ aso edi kan koraa no sɛ Bank of Ghana wɔyɛ right anaasɛ ɔfa akwan papa so ɛna revoke license no wɔn bɛhwehwɛ mu afrafa hɔ ansa na bio nso Appeals Court nso di a wɔde ɛba ayɛ sɛ wɔn nso reinstate license no ɛno nso ɛyɛ right ana nti Supreme Court sɛ ɔde ɔmo mmienu nyina obi ama ne deɛ ntwentwɛn hɔ na wɔn nso ntena asɛm no so na wɔn hwehwɛ mu bie mu ɔkrasafɛ no ɛtɔ so edu mmiɛnsa ɛwɔ Daily Graphic dɛ ɔbɔ krataa yi mu no wɔn di mu nkyɛmu aba yi ɔpɛni bi da na no ahono ne n'ani ase ahohono no wɔn kyerɛ mu sɛ graphic employee assaulted by Nungua police officers ya no so ukɔ page 2 hɔ no mo a wɔn ɛde mu kyerɛ mu aba yi a wɔn ɛde IGP Tete Christian Yohono a picture ababa beto hey nti na omo kyerɛ mu sɛ sɛdeɛ ayɛ ne deɛ wɔse mpanimfoɔ etimi ɛhwehwɛ sasɛm no mu ekokosiase a Daily Graphic de obokrata yi so abomu nkyerɛ mu ɛwɔ ahanom na baako ano so ɛwɔ hanom a ɛdɔm kuma wɔn ɛwɔ mmarahyɛ bedwam ɛboa sɛ iyoko sɛdeɛ ɔfa ne mmara so ɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ Dennis Miracles aboagye no wɔn mo ɛmɛhyehyɛ like wɔn ɛkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm mu wɔn ɛmɛ ansa questions bi ɛwɔ efie hɔ na wɔn nso nte ase kratafa ɛtɔ so dunsia wɔde mu nsɛm aba ɛna Daily Graphic no emu edu papapapa a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa na yehia paa no ɛna mabɔ so menkɔ the Ghanaian Times de ɔbɔ krataa no emu the most authoritative newspaper ɛno so wɔba de ya wɔn de aba ha de mu mpanyinfoɔ ɛbɔ mu ama n'ekyi mu sɛ wɔn de nhyehyɛeɛ papa ɛbaba begu akwan mu na aboa ebusi local purchases no na bebia etumi akɔso na aban no nso enwom a wɔyɛ no anaasɛ deɛ yɛ friend industrializations no wɔnom nso etumi esi no koso page 12 ɛwɔ the Ghanaian Times de ɔbɔ krataa yi mu wɔn ɛde aba ɛwɔ ha no mo sei na Ghana mampani na anagye no pokwadjima Obrempong ɛna ɛbɔ amane akyerɛ mu sɛ deɛ friend no expensive politics no shut out competent leaders into no asɛ deɛ ebi mu wɔ hɔ no a yɛyɛ amanyɔsɛm no yɛ midi fɔre yɛ aka sɛ wɔ asɛm esi deɛ hwii ni mu into no yɛfa ne nsi baabi kora nso obi wɔ hɔ no a sɛbisɛbio deɛ wɔ ne mu no kɔbɛtumi ayɛ adwuma ne paa nso ne yɛama nneɛma akɔkɔyɛ deɛ no so ɔman Ghana yɛhwɛ na yɛhwɛ ne yɛ page 12 no wɔ Ghanaian Times ɔbɔ krataa yi ɔmo ɛde mu nsɛm aba wɔ ha no mu ɛsɛ nationwide crackdown on illegal sand winning begins. Minerals Commission and our mobile money, one more woman for Sebu Aquan so, a 2 2 woman Catano. You be Yimun Aqua, when in Catabon in your beginning in a film, and my papa no, I hear my son, so one chasse, my bino, na a bocania, dear page 12, ewo Ghanaian Times or Bocrata, Munsum, and no pay, ewa Hanamo say, na you quote and Finfino Kaka, Ghanaian Times a dear yawa de buy ya. And penny for money, why must Ghana use its 2027 leadership to reset the Africa Union? Open your casa the writer no and what the hand will say into what church mu dear ebetumi abuama 2027 leadership where no muguso wo mulidi ebetumi a reset Africa Union no yeah no so page 7 no e wo Ghanaian Times do obokrata yi mu wunya bia na wakenkan the new crusading guide do obokrata no so and na no pay wo ma badwa oswani a wono washa pomuden ho nsam so ayonenya for kwabna minta candle when ye twa nemfoni kre e dia beto asem a waka NHIS tariffs go up from August 2026 na waba mani it was over 70,000 government fed mission firmware houses in eastern region and also asamfo from we kwabra minta kando de nti wono ade ono na caption abehye asiesa na kire se de kwabra minta kando eka nyina ne se nyankopon ya adomu a NHIS apomidisi a chiaba national health insurance no wonu hwe animu ase 2026 ye wo mu August osanabo so me no wo mu betimi apagem ama bibia akoso nti mu a moni aban no edi dwuma no monka makoma entom ye bibia ebekoyie na de no oba manes over 70,000 government first mission firmware houses in Eastern Region. Not just a president's staffer, regional minister, and constituency organizer. One woman ye pointy yensa womushim. Na nini na ne say abino fertilizer one which them say or mudiko pimo Eastern Region no. One which them say ayra yeah no so one more appointed amount for being na or spending on other good board one no rasa mi jemfin wo da boni see to blue tiny red and an in no a baby pink and over that hey as someone can say good bob pumps 8.4 million Ghana cedis into water project. Yeah, and penny for assigning agreement with Ghana Water Company Limited. Yeah, one more babeshe na one more supply ensure makoma said 3 supply system not needed to me abua na saying Ghana Water Company Limited and penny for say one more new mano and shut down so more kwan crosser ni atum do me ha say atum be bosome krani echire estate wo ye nyansu ntini nyina no good board so e de sika kwakwa so wo mo asene na wo mo pompe niam ye na bibia timi akoyi a no so nkrata yi the new crusading guide de obokrata no e de aba wo hanom esei Supreme Court too wise and intelligent to twist article where article 66/2 no lawyer Paul Chumberima
Sompa FM
Supreme Court na ni ate do say obetimi edin intelligent no atrested sa article 66/2 no e yade asemu e na okay unya krata yi bia munche mo no wonum abo me find the new publisher hid nothing fear nothing da obokrata no so da manimu opani oda enim he ya onwunwi eye ononyamfo po afoko e no wasiri asem ho kan nyina ne say infighting is MPP's enemy into no not one man nature say kwa ena no we be obaka ensem we na no omoto constituency election yi esisi ewo kuo ni mo no ena orapo afoko waka ho asem a wo kire mu se we no enya ade a ye begya ato ba akofo so na akame akwaye se sebi ayi na ntwagya na obehu esoro ne wensen na ase ne da so eye peche da bi wose won mo hwe na wo mo ho a wo mo kono wo mo timi tena se na wo
nyina ye tie Sompa
egwa kwamu esanse bibia ebetimi akoyi a mo na mo betimi aka mo ho abom edom kuma no na wo mo demand eje eso mbe briefu parliament no on miracles denis aboaje na rest na iyokofo kire no eno so kratafe to so nsia with the new publisher de obokrata emo wo mo abomu nchiremu omenye sana hene Dr. Cassell Atoba Forson asema a watch mu debt restructuring complete ato force wa force and ordin outline no and so de aba post IMF agenda page 2 ho with the new publisher de obokrata yi mu emunsem wo mo akutire de egu ho no god board de no a wo mo de 8.4 million equal rescue galamsey hit on water plant mo no ni nyina so emunchemu abakrata yi mu akaba akwa ha kwa akumefa nsosum when so the Ghanaian publisher the obakata ne integrity and professionalism and omudi ye one majuma god board the hair sikano and wo matwa we the education check na kakraka 8 point dummy check aha anti ketwa ne ankasa de omaja shombotomo nti we de demonstrate keke nti ni sika no na ja wo mo a present e de ama Ghana Water Company Limited in Pennyfo no e be kwa fix wo mo chemu say 3 water systems baby a wo mo ahwa eho etos chew no na wo mo atimi e de ayeho adwuma ne so na atimi efu ni nyina galam say ya ye ka mo se me nka eno ho nsem the Ghanaian publisher de obokata no abomu amane wo page 3 ho no nya bi akenkan ya eno so betumi abo Europe afoko na ka say was one ni mission pa ya wo petimi e de aboa MPP amanwuko emu wo ma wini 2028 election no e ye nkabom interrete me no kabo mo bopeme unity eno no wakasa e de afa ho yi ochi hini pays tribute to Yana Abukari a woto so mienu na chese ne dak na sam ono so de aba Yana na wenin de ene Yana Dabon
Sompa FM
overload no free mu a wo free mu no na ochihene so e de ne dak na sam e de abai. I worry for NDC appointees Samia Uku and 1 year into no page 3 e wo Ghanaian publisher de wo krata ne mu nya bia na wonso wajimunche mu kwaku media ni na mabobɔ so awie nso fa de no trash
ma men toa so wo daily guide mu na she akosi aka tum pa wo de ba na eh di ho na good board nkomo no wa ha Paula Focus say officially or MPP chairmanship position or Sunday no de ba unity reconciliation tickets and what they ba nti ne de ne simple kra eno ewo page 3 ewo daily guide mo Miracles arrest 50 million bill the inside story and also page 3 no enti o hwe Dennis Miracles Abuaje ni mfoni the Harry Monacha ono so ne dwuno mfemfem no aye fita no wo hye kiki kama eno wada ha sei eno na afanyoma Rumble Star na Yokofo de ye wo Ghana ha sei no eye say o man no ye kebma mi nkabi a ye de ye adwuma no eno so page 6 ewo daily guide mo Supreme Court halts GN Bank Savings and Loans license restoration and no honkomo e de abepiem ha say na edna kra de o maye bibia wi anka wo mo be fa adwuma yefo ni bi aka ho so o ma wo ho na no papa bi kra de o se fi se bank ye gu no wontimi kra nya 20 Ghana kra ntoni bottom da
so
afia ye de license am Supreme Court so ahot say ye be restore no honkomo
asem we no na ora ba akobo mama ne say article 66 cross 2 no Supreme Court to bet me attracted near ma because say appeals court today or more rulings by say new and yeah anything ka
answer Supreme Court no so no so gina near ma so no so check
nti anya papa yi appeal ya wodi ko ye ya
it is never too late until it is done
na papa kwesi ye twe na bo so bi say
akosi aka tu no de aba ha no the title no say job search 2026
Sompa
ya boot mienu ba ko no wo mo atworo ades nipa ba ko pe ne gina ho ena ba ko so ya atworo politics police soldier na no ni soldier na ye SOJA ena I say politics police soldier gold board no GOLDD just a gold no ena board no so say board sa ena nipa ejina sa butu na no ho no nye nipa ketu ebi kura tete fom ama wo mu hu baabi am de wo ho fa ena wa kira se na wow daily guide akosi aka tu ena de ba no Afoko officially joins MPP chair race eno ye chronicle ne ono so de aba I was on the unity noa and rebuilding structure no ena odeba Ghana faces 37.2 billion annual infrastructure funding gap nti eno hon komo atoforcing oguso for so de na so how da na chi eno hon so
Sompa FM
football and so 8.4 million Ghana cities so de 3 Ghana water plant no mu no and also nkomo chronicle and fancy wabomu wa hasia enya asem kuma abandoned 1D1F factories turn into churches hey na mehu se local government minister mfoni da ha na message am won na complain na papa no I think say one person nim benya asem because hey deal abandoned 1D1F factories turn into churches. Minister blame political sitting and poor planning. Hey! Hey! And you are proud to be a Ghanaian for this. 1D1F. I have political gimmicks. New government by us on the priority to a trim. On 24-hour economy market. Na 24-hour economy bend the same 1D1F. Oko kan on bet na che we say ko me kan say me boys say am te akire ho di say hunu sabe. Ke kan say hunu. E di go o de on train am dey fa ba bi. Say video no saka. Ye di be wura ho. Enti e ho nsam wa ha. Ana chronicle some of what jump or say Bagwin's proposal deserves serious national debate. Now, the proposal no or can one some no. Page 4. Our chronicle. Was say yankan kind. Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse 4. For the Lord your God is he who goes with you to fight for you against your enemies to give you the victory. And no near chronicle. What they buy it. I mean, from your daily post now. Tia for us as here. Punum den. Say 4 patients receive first treatment at new cardiac cardiothoracic center hona lab no mkoye na ansana be fatie for no bit my video neto so ma metew na yemfa nye gold board nkomo no abna hwe
bola
yes enkran he ya na me bebo school ni din we ye school
enti chire ni no
school bi bola e na wo hwe agugata no mu no we name and shame no ya be ne he ya se video no
we after see it to go to no
me see say ye before say ye after things are emerging wahu
Ekuya Ghana ene ye ukwadensi ekuya Ghana
Ghana na ngaso de ekuya
na ma no nya ne
6 March 1957 ukwada na ati o maya asesa mo shebere mu a oti o maya ebusi abra Facebook be ha de we gold board be say 8.4 million esa de akọ e de atete ayi nsu anamon na sefo nyina e wo Ghana ha sei
na ade we ma wo conscience nka nche o se sebi o wudin samfon
na president na je se o ka kire se ye nkotete gata mu ansa no se sa ayi sa no se mi wo ho asem ka pa na mashada na menka ho asem
te so hwe na papa ni dress nche se o ye security man I was at school now wokan
the young whatever
na die kra de wo hwe pipe se do so wom enta na nya won hye ni mu
on hye no
what tam ayi zoom line ayi we bola container we ma o e na ba ko so wo basket bi ni nyina be hwe
obi fira che na be hwe basket mu de ni gu mu na nye we once when dey no hwe we no na obi nso firi nchen ho no be hwe basket mu de no
so omo de ho na da ne
bola damp no obi nso hwe gu ore omo damping site no I'm for numbers number 0260196064 0260196064 and 0260196065 0260196065. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Me pacho first and aka sefrin here.
Pacho efo na mikasa.
Oh, efo, manafo.
Mafo afo.
Mafo.
Ma wona gira.
Ma yinti.
So I know no pa we na. We see doctor ma ko pa. You can here we are the national chairman. No ne first man. Ye man sa ku pa di kakra. Na ya fi. Di kakra we organize. Chia no papa. We the young no election the three we and anti musun the three election Sompa ya mishira mu papa brother kakra ya mishira sibite we to mama Ghana we a year say you trust Ghana. Na say obi kwaye boni say obi nka say obi je boni e chi na obi je na ni taro no ye boni onanti enye se pia wa friend we are watching ye mi say we say NDC we power e ko 2 years amotrasi ni para macho mu nyina wa na motridi ni kokot and one say ya true na just say NDC for super me ka so o ya jwa what dey here
Mate me da say hello good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Me pacho first and aka sefrin here.
Ya ala teacher ni kaza filo roko office town.
Ya yam pacho ma yinti o.
Ndedi kai mamichia ulimeyefo hawa kumshirika Mungu organizer. Na jomboeli organizer chairman ana ayunena bi. Ana mpinfo kekanunya ana alaji kwa umia. Bigidi se, ushe asema ukaya. Sika Ghana for Pierre Castle, the catcher center, Montaigne, the Ghana, Yakra. Ushe is your to ya. The Ghana, ye the Machisa about. Ukwaya, I am for Chiquaya, you can't say for Chiquaya and fancy traffic block of the dodging. Nothing. It is the machine farmer, na day. Na, Mecca say, Ushe and Jesus for Yama, Yenda was set your Macassan minister Casse. The way of more yellow. Say you bet you be your money builder and what day now Moshe Minister Nako said you're more and yet let you bet passing we can say that society will be a party and Chino Chino Yaman punishment now say Ubidrusu will do this ya catch or say and before a young
Mate, may I say hello, good morning.
Good morning. Apamli
Obrempong.
Obrempong, only a permanent say.
Sompa. Amen. Me pache first na kasa free.
Oh, only a calling for me.
Amamole.
Mo, Yakupo Shiramu say, mo ye campaign money. Na, send your mafa majua the campaign manager. So go for some the senior union as deputy communication officer.
Amen.
Na, never the club figure we so. I'm not telling you now.
Right.
Lamin Chia Abigail Ello, incoming National Woman Organizer, Yuma NDC, fantastic woman. William, share what you are, who you century to me, will you mapa? Will you be cut? I know being soon they will cut. Who will show ya? Who know what? Who saw sample there? Share, yet she, miracle. Me Collins Kura na enye nyina na kakra se papa ye ba ni se after release by so we say omuchi tafo ni nyina afi na omuchi kakra omukọ no ma ba kakra no ye ma wakonya se da si mo my Ghana e privilege na so do some you e da bo ikami na we would feel yafu can we say we are Kufia. Say one fuck my password. Papa, what you do a quota, maybe in there. Ufurata, the same thing of Rata Yapako Snow be my so. No, you don't go so I think before you can't walk. We have to get to it and die in a muso. Medasi.
Medasi be hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacha first and I can say.
Me pacha Frank Naru Dominion
Mayo. Frank Mayo. Yamia do me home.
Yamia do me a momo papa. O mine mzag them Mami Secretary Aka organizer. Honorable Anthony Nikudu. Mimia, Jay Grassroots. Jay Nabuchi, Ayabako, that's your papa.
Sompa FM.
Go. Deputy Secretary. And then the Indian or the Oba and Amanu Guru. I'm not going to 28. They bring you about Fala, I am because Papa is the organizer, it will be Takra. All the next is to be a couple 18. And then we look at the end is to couple 8 because of the team of 20. And but the other BA, Akoswa, the organizer, because on the referendum, they don't have to do with me. Now, we shall no matter what they not done this far. Then it's before that it gets to one who we need that and the Delta in Libya and the MPP. Almost prayer, Ghana. And no one at the collapse there. Almost better. The obedience of Ghana never after the one. One prayer for the prayer and the Juma. One prayer must have put in. Up for some of prayer and member and the Juma. To the baby, almost some of them. That and the so it will be a guy at the star. Almost general, and this someone say, I have to go for
Mate, Medasi in Ruho. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Me pacha why na me na share you.
Me pacha antiamo.
Hey, antiamo ka se free he.
Me pacha me ka se free atomi. Roundabout.
Yo, antiamo pacha akwa ba me ntie we.
So, me tia woni wa tie mfo nyina. Na they say, "Oh my, you won't say." Something I'm not for a buyer. Or for you, for. No, we did not have a woman got the moon. As I thought, that's green. I used to see this. I cannot move to Martin. If you come out in the American. Or if you see Mantama, if you tell me, no, now, and of course, you lie for. I know what the crap are holding, but yeah, not the fear for you lie for. No more some what a moon, no more. And if you go by, I don't know the chat I did. Yea, Geomoka. If you want me to do one more to be so, but you will ever see the cat, but you will ever see the cat. See a Geomoka woman, you tell me. I mean, many at the Korean people who are at the ah, can you know? Or you are the more you know, I will be if your back will share what you so be our ministry back in our no airplane when I'm with you know, per se. The whole ton no, I know what it is at Antandia. I don't know how to rely on. So I didn't know what I didn't know how to rely on.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
If I try first, I know I can free here.
ABC.
I can free. I bet it.
You got make me feel
ABC say.
Me birthday gift no me who say you don't see mo ba ko mu pa ma you.
No worry, I'm
me dey come chairman now studio. E check the kwa ju ashama. The pastor ashama for communication officer the pastor. Ashama for say mo fa jije no e she ju ashama mu. No tin wo constitute no after the star bank. The say mo buy ju ashama. Ya wa bre. E o quiet ni we constitute one the pastor mo man the bi share. So am I right step? Five step. Oh, e dey say mo man bi pa en ko share. And after the college, the party of deputy communication officer, the party Papa, yes, you got to be a one black yes, oh, what ma, Adoye, oh, college, they said to go for deputy communication officer, Mofanu Kawai, and I find deputy communication officer, Katamaso, on Mofanu, the party, Sharon, Tema West, woman organizer, the party, and the Gando, national organizer. The party of Makitete, the Dubia in Chakete, and Command.
May I say, hello, good morning.
Oh,
Ajanimo.
Madam,
my interview.
Oh, and a boy, man. And up I am in Taka with you. There a divine selection, and I can't, you know, another pay. And up I am in Taka, I'm going to tantrums. I'm in charge of the secretary. Onan yes I don't know echo. I'm in China na be or minister chairman kunyano so a of first bar chairman the minister so and I had Ruka for woman treasure. Your from saying Moses boy Nana K no nyina be boa am ya the power. Yo answer na boy this for abaso. Oma ya juma papa ombe omajuma maye no atichire ne de oma ye papa omko so anchire what you say ana atichire nzo mo nche ne kwa omba chine kwa no bu akonta ma se oma ya chi wo msika ye nya yi ni na se ye bu akonta ne se ya nya bibia nso mo nche dia ana na NDC ba no disappointment omoji ka mo papa Jimbo ma so do mko so no monchechere why ana ya na na bushi azu mo yako ya se de em se de ye betu ye no a yiwu mu anu no we de ye si nyame na de ma nyame afa yampa se dama urade bye bye
me da sibebre. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Auntie Magini.
But
me abema.
Sompa
Adomoni abeyu. Mo boy manyame shira mo wate. Yo anopray dio. Me come asem so a come yewura amampani mahama ya be frɛ no Oya mampani bibi aba wono na yede fo no esi no. Ade ni akyekere fa. So nipa na ye bone. Na wa kire na, wa ma ni bill, o de na kodina court, o di fa. No bi ye hu. Na ye se wo ta pa nipa no, o pe so ka nipa kasa boa. E hwe na num so bibie na no kasa, o se ma chew. Yanya ne sa, ye wo freedom of speech. To bi atimi kire na gen. Enti ni wo kwan sa wo de akyekere ba. Ana mpanifo no so a ye sa akyekere on hwe ni yi. Ewi ase ye so wo wi wo fo nsa no wa hwe nsa. Aniama na wo ye no. Won so on be take revenge. Daddy, on hwe ni yi. No mine nya sabe NDC for mine. Eya o mine Ghana for na to aba. Edi kokromotie ko yi o mampani mama. Eso o meji o mine no. Na wo mo o mine no. Wo o mine no won chichire ne se ne da ya. Emebu ni mrantie ne maba a wa benya adwumaye. Wo wagya gain na wo gina kwa ho anadwo ye no. Eno na ye to aba ne ma no. Enti won nyai ne wo ye no. Abo NPP for do won ani esi won so no. Wo kire ni pana afa ne ko. Momo NDC for the old disc previous one. You do call in a court. Oh, by also what training in a mo. I don't know when you scanning from our mind. Not our money, who say will go mine. Where I also what target in the Pedina, who do a near sea also. Bob and Emily and no color ball I see when I got so go, young society. What Zoom line I do my friend and some. Bonnie ban or yeah, or boy MPP. Also by your yam or body. I don't know to anything if I only
and hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Be patch first and how can I here?
Patchoya Kayabua, Pashuman.
Kayabua Patchoma into it.
Okay. You say, Remonacha, Yoko was a Dumoyan, a bitterness or the a bitterness, and yes, a bitterness, because also a Kufuan Mukobu, or short, where you maw a Labadi. The place where what them cost is bitterness, no, the age man, because one more match of me in a scabbard, why you feel allegation, and I will discuss what did you find out about Singapour, we have to not see him, and bitterness, and a bill. And Coco now must spend $250 million. I said, at the command for Mokona, when the other canon of Coco Chimelatos. And you be yen diversity attention. And you know, and this is the almost no chum. And because Remonata and you want a bitterness, and you may be an oil, a bitterness get an or two, not you can or dear. Medasi.
Medasi. Hello, good morning.
Okay, you can see, or what you say.
A radiatum, Mr. Nokrasani.
Ani mo na mo mi brepa ya brepa o wa ta de kamela ko e dopo
facheme
we dey from we mo nya fa be na
FM
ya mo ye from mo
ma yenti we
openi mami fo akonye nsu na me chief for staff mo na ba so ta mo ba for ba national vice yenti se bo a ko the national organizer oje dan kwa ni otu da ko mo ko deputy communication and a Joe Ashama minister Brown policy commission bo ma ba so na statement in natural surgery and also statement opening intimate no pattern of corruption MPP for a year and a year. Say so be every support Mexican. Maye and can you take you say yana can or put the better with Ghana or could do what America. And then, at the DC, yesterday, at the swimming pool, I could sit down also. And to my pen, I'm over here. You can't find 15 billion. Young man continue. Hey, entity for someone, someone come quick. One pen crack. And the NDC bless woman, you see woman again. No one just said, oh, you're beyond.
Asimbisa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Minya Bema Bakupe.
Mepacho, Nanamo Akuniana.
David, Nanama Kuya Minya, Bright Nia, Casapri
Abusuka, my intiwe.
Midas or Yamisha of Papa, Mammy, Chia, Honorable Peter Pisimensa, or Butika Mashipias, any honorable chief of staff, honorable Zebra, the Belgian American, or any Minya Bema. Emosa or call for regional secretary next time so Omokai no mutu abamano. So now honorable Abolo call trouble or call for deputy communication officer. Damn, so I want to about farmer. Honorable lawyer is my opportunity. MPP for Kasa. One Tata MPP for. Obia Tata MPP for. Me pacho, you won't conform with Bray. MPP more. There are more appointments. They are called Nana. There be more appointments. Now, I find every so. Abogana Chrono, every year of mine now. You bet you, not Emma, anyway. And yet, in your first time here, the NC will be a woman Ghana. And she said, Mukoya, there, nay, a chim will pay me for now. Will pay me for you to sky or mama moving it. They are from no more sunlight, no more yet. They didn't know Emma, you panel, every tell. Yet the Emma and the day Juma, a woman will. And their friends said, Papa, that's your money, Mamma. And you know what I'm eating, and you know what to force the finance minister. Mother Boama and Mayor economy.
Sompa FM.
No more equity every more man. Who or my Ghana ye? Munko says to the party. Shamanka internal election crowd here. So 2 amount to 2 and watch a month for any idea. Party here, any idea Ghana for. Everybody was like that. Omuko to Obama MPP. I'm an Abbott Mabemo. Now 8 years ago, you won't call on Ghana for council. I want to chair Ghana for firm. We are my pension money crown and Nanado. And it was a Mahmoud about me having the sense to say a move for pension pay and for more. And already to about any chair more got in our position. People be the Atimua, more their more yet. And she may catch her MPP for so you're born in all the Almighty car. You bet you, the best Attorney General says, away, and Scana, yes, nothing. Now, I have this Canadian club. Hello? Papa Nikas here, Arapai, and nothing to account. The battle where wow near Bema, Nana Amwakwa, make a petty F boy, or a nation for instance. Erika Manuncia Income National Chairman, you are honorable watch Egako, the Rubiana channel, Namasan dedicated, and indiscipline, echo of party, maybe echo of party, and a collection, because the air dinner and fatal. Jingo, and I've watched about the Dakudana Chamaya, this Hanyamawi, to be car and also all parties, Napatuma by Akonom. And then I check my eyes out of the Mukomia, chairman all the Mukomia. Opening the entire to get a bonia and Obia for many flat, my chino. But a finer, more fossil, and independent air teach different and again for Eka Watem. So Obia for Mexica and I watching them. And I would not remember many Sama, weekend Saturday. No, why would not show for 2 hours at Ombra Bay? Now, many days are bare conditions. The Muji with the Panonian, conditions of the match and I got for Kawasam. That's NBC, a memory will sell it in the new war. I can remember a buyer of a power, also from Magana from Mebu and Jumaya. Now, by a baby, I said, I don't want to say, I saw what was. Magana for any man, was it a yam, the 24-hour market, the 24-hour marketing, and we yes, I don't want to hear you're going to have an opening. Check it before the apple and you. That 24-hour economy away from a good criminal by away. Won't give me any, and then come by and put I don't want one, but I shall say, I don't know one, a hot and a willing government and calamity, and the more charge than one. If you wait as your man of room, at the man of room. We end the amount of my almost 7 on Palco into 10 over other chapters because also the airport made power, moving power opening and queen back. Where can I
say? Young kind of cranon chair, honey and penny for set my time or so into course and also media see. Yes, sorry, so now my name said Abana birthday view.
Anne, quack me birthday.
And bonnet mammy and your fancy hair.
Nanny. Happy birthday, free any ankasa, young sister, yet anyway, if you have a cosia edgy, wa cordier, whatting. akwasria eje wa kwade boaten se birthday we enkoma Linus Linus okay Linus inti dankwa from Kumasi where a member Edema Ghana Broadcasting Corporation Accra it's in Linus inti dankwa near the no ato Facebook no eso no where every ye news uncle akwasia eje wa kwade boaten en wose yema awoda papa nyankopon sha
na ye sompa
kwadomo wompa ya wo bɔ kyerɛ ɔdoma akoma ne nyinaa no wɔtie na sopam na wɔnyɛ mfama wo sister ene o friend na wo wish we happy birthday Linus afa yansan so enko we so happy birthday we every Thomas upon ema ye ensem efri chufu praso ene ne mfafra mu wase happy birthday to Obed Amevo happy birthday to Obed Amevo eno no so that Facebook no so no wuye juma ewo Golden Star AECI Mining Explosive ya eno no ewo chufu praso nti Obed Amevo Thomas upon say o ma happy birthday nyankopon shaw onye okese na onyu mfa domo enkwa domo
ene ansana me dem de beto as ma ko Facebook to na menyi messages ni bi emfiri o ibobu atindi free na rebehi was say I don't support any act of corruption and embezzlement of the state funds, but people should be treated within the laws of Ghana because no one is above the law. Hi to Chairman yeah, deal. Slide Dumba said NPP is not a party interested in nation building. The most corrupt party ever in the history of politics in Ghana. They are not even hiding it anymore. We slide Dumba and Engineer Shamaba. Was a good day, Ghana. I am Shamaba Idnabinya, NDC communicator from Esikado Ketan. I say with a heavy heart, I am resigning as NDC serial caller after 30 years of serving the NDC. Oh, Ade, I have an assurance letter for transport officer position at one of the nursing training college, but none of my NDC appointees is willing to help me secure the job. I have been neglected. Loyalty must be respected, and I say the vim and vigor must reach Accra. Hey, where is I? Hey, dear. Hey, messages are be about Facebook and so I don't know. Now,
Sompa FM.
Happy birthday and confirm a friend and a brother, a very good friend and a brother. ASI Pepra, the 2IC, our body sector command of the Ghana Immigration Service, bro. Me from Bra Kwame CG, inti Bra Kwame nyame shraw na onye okese. I know sir, nkomo no wachire bebre dues no dey I'll be tia. Aha. But then happy birthday. Adom no inshira no bambo no Nyankopon omfa ne nyina mawo na onye okese enyi mfiri adom nko adom mu. Nyame onye okese mame pa. Happy birthday. We free Rich Bit My Stony. Was say happy birthday. Enkoma Apostle David Savior Abba. Assistant pastor Hope Aso. Sompa 106.5
FM. Sompa.
Nyankopon shraw papa anointing no inshira no enhunumu no vision no one tretre mo mfama. Oh yes, let me say apostolic anointing no ye adwuma na evangelism no nso gina mu den Nyankopon nye okese na oma wo adom ne hunumu a obetime dia ye na adwuma oma won tiase na oma wo sra no emusu bebre emfa ema. Happy birthday. Nyame wonshira pa. Abra
kwaku
yeko
ane ye da etefo nyina ase na ene ye ukwada midweek obia enhwe ne ho yi ya wada ne fiada ye mo adwuma fanso o my Ghana ye do obia
na wotwi me wo nkomo bi immigration for the bese me come as me nwie de wabna. I've realized that you can't the corrupt institution that we Ghana have any police, immigration, Ghana Immigration Service. Very corrupt. Now, Sompa. Nkophobia ko interdiction our offensive area ho. na kwan ye fa so mo ko isa interdiction na till date yen recall e omo ene nipa bi tumi a omunya na on person de kata nipa bi so nyambo chama bibie so me the video ni beba na sa video na nam so a no ntie se interdict o me a hantan kokoti sem because nipa bi so ye pani nti me the sa video ni beba nyambo china na ya biebie mu wa na last week Tuesday no
nana na wotwe
enra na wotwe me be ball papa bi din amenra crowd ni din san pie e wo the video am ye ne nra your friend no Jafet Apia as is we interdiction e wo Ghana Immigration Service a wajeje nkrofo sika over 300,000 so de won be ko immigration a one for manko na ni sister threaten victims say omuntimi nya no hwe na omo ye kro no akra ne ode be ye wo mo no na police intimidate wom because he's a uniform man odinse muhunu
to obromra so
na onokro ya Jafeti asan akwaji obi sika 230,000 so beto kro la esama no wanto na Jafet kro ya asan ji obi 16,000 Ghana cedis so de won be ko immigration no so wansan ya anye onse maka ne mamiensa one person last week Tuesday me yes our video no somebody called me say ni nua ni Jafet no na edin a ebaye no eye say let God be God account ni edin da so na offer me say ni nua any Jafet no they want my in fact on me communicate with TikTok I say they want my number because they want to talk to me and I'm catching say oh message bi a onja to TikTok no me ni obi ani kasa omo frɛ omo video no frɛ one of the victims omo do omo ka 300,000 no e ka kire omo say omo time na omo nka kire me say omo pa me kyɛw mama nye sa Thursday anything na Thursday no man nye sa video
na
omo ka control sika dia mom because you see akọ interdiction wasan face court e wo car fraud ho up till now 1 week ni afi do omo frɛ no kɔ omfa na me ka kire ne se wo mpese me ka no ho asem bie mu de a onko di ne hu ni na owia ne ye wa kire wo se mra ne san ni di no mra ne ni me ni kasa because onye me hwe me so me nya ne hwe obi de na asem ato manim e na me ka bia ma no enti se ompese me ka na asem ompese me bo ne din bie mu de a on de onni ni hu ni onko tua sika no ne mra no san ni di nemo mo ya na je so wo be frɛ me se ne na ano na nso ma hyase ye e de unknown numbers omo gota no e de frɛ me threaten me o se me nya ne ame ye no na they are at my back continue to be at my back I am watching you too nemo se mo mema mo se mo mema come and deny ne ame ka bia na jai samo ne nam na mo bo threatens no na me mu hu ne nya me hu se wadi se mu hu sabe na ye ka ho asem na so ma ye nka anu nti obeka kire me say I should watch my back because you are at my tail. Continue to be there. That is where you belong. But niamo ye na enye no ye de beba next week ye be wura Ghana National Fire Service nso ya ye immigration adwuma na next week ye be wura Ghana National Fire Service na ye wura prisons ye wi ade abewie with police na ya hwe the rot ekoso under our security services enura what is about we do de ebu akwa agogo se ba bia ayi bus stop in fact station any police station you opposite ye dey aye hook up friends saying public sex place police for animo pay they are pretending say omuhu ye okọ kan sisi ye ya ye ba be fro e de wakọ anadwo ne ebu dan ye de mo si me di Obrempong na akọ kwampoma abna bedu ade pa kofi ewa ye be som rich bitmice e kan ye ho ye sorry so na ye adwuma sei no ye be ya adwene no Sompa FM e was Sompa rap studio so nyame nka ho